Welcome back, everyone. Let's talk about, do animals see colors like humans? Humans pride themselves on seeing a vibrant world. We marvel at sunsets, admire colorful flowers, and express ourselves through art. But here's a humbling thought: humans are actually colorblind compared to many animals. We can perceive millions of colors, but some animals see a spectrum far beyond our limited range. Imagine a world bursting with hues we can't even fathom. This hidden world of color is not some science fiction fantasy. It's a reality that exists all around us. It's a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth, and the unique ways that different species have adapted to their environments. Color is not just about aesthetics, it's a matter of survival in the animal kingdom. Animals use color for a variety of critical functions. They use it to find food, attract mates, and avoid predators. For example, a brightly colored fruit signals ripeness to a hungry bird. A chameleon's ability to change color helps it blend into its surroundings, making it invisible to both prey and predators. Understanding how animals see color provides us with valuable insights into their behavior and ecology. Do animals perceive colors the same way we do? This is a question that has fascinated scientists for centuries. The answer, as you might expect, is not so simple. Just like their shapes and sizes, animal eyes come in a stunning variety of forms. The anatomy of an animal's eye, particularly the types of photoreceptor cells it possesses, determines its color vision capabilities. These photoreceptor cells, called cones and rods, contain light-sensitive pigments that react differently to various wavelengths of light. Studying animal color vision is no easy feat. We can't simply ask an animal what it sees. Scientists have to rely on a combination of behavioral experiments, anatomical studies, and genetic analysis. They observe how animals react to different colors, examine the structure of their eyes, and analyze the genes responsible for color vision. These studies can be time-consuming and complex, but the rewards are immense, as they offer a glimpse into the sensory experiences of other species and deepen our understanding of the natural world. The structure of an animal's eye tells a fascinating story about its evolutionary history and its visual needs. Eyes are not just organs of vision, they are windows into the lives and environments of the creatures they belong to. By examining the eyes of different animals, we can gain insights into how they interact with the world around them. Take, for instance, the eagle. Known for its extraordinary vision, the eagle's eye is a marvel of nature. An eagle's eye is not that different from ours in the way it uses a lens to focus light onto a retina. However, the similarities end there. Their retinas are packed with a far greater density of photoreceptor cells, granting them incredibly sharp vision. This allows eagles to spot prey from miles away, even while soaring high above the ground. The eagle's eye is adapted to detect the slightest movement, making it an efficient hunter. On the other hand, insects like flies and dragonflies possess compound eyes. These eyes are vastly different from the eyes of vertebrates. Compound eyes are made up of thousands of individual lenses, each with its own set of photoreceptor cells. This unique structure allows insects to have a mosaic view of the world. This arrangement allows them to detect movement over a wider field of view, crucial for catching prey in mid-air. The compound eyes provide a broad and detailed perspective, enabling insects to react quickly to their surroundings. Whether it's an eagle soaring high or a dragonfly darting through the air, the eyes of these creatures are perfectly adapted to their needs, showcasing the incredible diversity of vision in the animal kingdom. The range of colors an animal can see depends on the types of cones present in its retina. Cones are photoreceptor cells that are sensitive to different wavelengths of light. The more types of cones an animal has, the broader the spectrum of light it can perceive. This means that while some animals might see a world similar to ours, others might experience a vastly different visual reality. Humans have 3 types of cones, sensitive to red, green, and blue light. This combination allows us to perceive a wide range of colors by mixing these primary colors in various ways. Our trichromatic vision is quite advanced compared to many other mammals, which often have only 2 types of cones and thus see a more limited color spectrum. This trichromatic vision allows us to see the familiar spectrum of colors, from the deep reds of a sunset to the vibrant blues of a clear sky. The ability to distinguish between so many colors has been crucial for our survival, helping us identify ripe fruits, healthy plants, and even potential dangers in our environment. However, many animals possess more than 3 types of cones, extending their color vision beyond our own. Birds, for instance, often have 4 types of cones, allowing them to see ultraviolet light. This extra dimension of color can help them in finding food, choosing mates, and avoiding predators. Similarly, some fish and reptiles have even more types of cones, giving them an incredibly rich and varied visual experience. Bees, for example, have trichromatic vision but are sensitive to ultraviolet light, invisible to us. This sensitivity to UV light allows them to see patterns on flowers that are completely hidden from human eyes. These patterns often guide bees to the nectar, ensuring that they can efficiently pollinate plants. This allows them to see patterns on flowers that guide them to nectar, invisible to the human eye. These UV patterns can be thought of as landing strips, directing the bees precisely where they need to go. This mutualistic relationship between bees and flowers is a perfect example of how evolution shapes sensory perception to benefit both parties. Some animals, like snakes, even have an additional set of eyes called pit organs that can detect infrared radiation or heat, allowing them to see the body heat of their prey. This ability is particularly useful for hunting in the dark, as it enables snakes to detect warm-blooded animals even when they are hidden from view. The pit organs are so sensitive that they can detect temperature changes as small as a fraction of a degree, making them incredibly effective hunters. The animal kingdom is full of examples of remarkable color vision adaptations. These adaptations have evolved over millions of years, allowing various species to thrive in their unique environments. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of the sky, animals have developed extraordinary ways to perceive the world around them. The mantis shrimp, for instance, has the most complex color vision system known to science, with 12 to 16 types of cones. This incredible visual system allows them to detect polarized light and even see ultraviolet light. Their eyes are so advanced that they can move independently, giving them a nearly 360-degree field of view. This unique ability helps them in hunting prey and avoiding predators in the vibrant and often dangerous underwater world. This allows them to perceive a spectrum of colors we can only imagine. The mantis shrimp's vision is so sophisticated that it can detect cancer cells and the activity of neurons, which has inspired scientists to develop new medical imaging technologies. Their ability to see such a wide range of colors and light wavelengths makes them one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. Butterflies, with their 4 or 5 types of cones, can also see ultraviolet patterns on flowers that guide them to nectar sources. These patterns are invisible to the human eye but are crucial for butterflies in locating food. The ultraviolet vision of butterflies also plays a role in mate selection, as many species have ultraviolet markings on their wings that are used to attract potential mates. Birds, often lauded for their vibrant plumage, also have impressive color vision, with many species possessing 4 types of cones. This tetrachromatic vision allows them to perceive a wider range of colors, including ultraviolet light, which aids in foraging, mate selection, and navigation. For example, some birds can see the ultraviolet reflection on berries, making it easier for them to find food. Additionally, the ability to see ultraviolet light helps birds in identifying mates, as many species have plumage that reflects ultraviolet light in patterns that are invisible to predators. This tetrachromatic vision allows them to perceive a wider range of colors, including ultraviolet light, which aids in foraging, mate selection, and navigation. Birds use their exceptional vision to navigate during migration, often relying on the position of the sun and the stars, as well as the Earth's magnetic field, which they can detect visually. The intricate and highly developed visual systems of these animals highlight the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. The ability to see ultraviolet light opens up a whole new dimension of visual experience. Imagine a world where flowers have hidden patterns, birds sport secret markings, and the sky itself takes on a different hue. This is the reality for many animals that can perceive ultraviolet light. It's a powerful reminder that our own sensory experience is just one perspective on a much richer and more complex world. The way animals see color is as diverse as the animals themselves. From the incredible ultraviolet vision of bees to the heat-sensing capabilities of snakes, the animal kingdom offers a breathtaking array of adaptations to the visual world. Understanding these adaptations not only deepens our appreciation for the wonders of nature, but also provides valuable insights into the evolution of sensory systems and the challenges of studying animal behavior. What are your thoughts on the hidden world of animal vision? Share your insights in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos of more animal senses. Thank you always for watching. Catch you in the next one.